Okay, so this is the closure that I'm using. I talked about it in my previous videos. It is from Central. People were asking me, did I bleach the knots? Yes, I bleached the knots. The bleach that I'm using right now is the Collider Colors. I normally use Click Blue Bleach is what I normally use when I bleach knots. And I am using 40 Developer. It can take 40 Developer. All I'm going to do is bleach the knots. I'm going to use a Shimmer Light shampoo to tone the knots like you would with any other lace piece. And I am going to pluck the hairline like you would with any other lace piece. And the caps that I am using is the stocking cap. And it has the type of like silk, little elastic, little band around it. Wide band. No slip off. And then the hair that I'm using is the Onyx Black Diamond hair. The Remy hair in a 10-inch 1B. I got 2 packs of this and this, and we're going to recreate this wig a little more detailed so y'all can get what y'all need to get out of this video. Basically what I wanted to say is when you sew on your closure, you want to kind of angle it a little bit so that the side piece, so you're going to give that like little side burn attempt here, so you want to pull it down a little bit past when you sew it down. You don't have to do so much here, just angle it sideways because you are going to use this as a side part. I went ahead and parted where the part is going to be, and I'm going to go ahead and pluck in here a little bit because even though we bleach the knots, all of the knots will not always bleach. This hair is beauty store hair, so even though it is able to lift a little bit, it is not going to lift everything. So we're going to pluck a little bit. You will possibly have to add a little makeup in there, possibly. I didn't really have to in mind too much, so it's basically how it looks right now with everything kind of plucked and sewn down. So with my client, we have put a stocking cap on, parted her hair underneath where the part is going to be. And we went ahead and put a shower cap on because I am going to be quick weaving this wig, which means I'm going to be gluing the tracks on the stocking cap. And once it starts to dry, I don't want the glue to stick to her head or to the stocking cap, and so we'll just be able to pull it out with the shower cap when we are done. This is basically how it looks. I've cut the inside of the stocking cap out. Can you hold it in front? Basically, I would just get this in the position that is basically going to be on her head and then I will go ahead and start measuring, cutting, and gluing the rest of these tracks on, all in the back here. And then I'll be able to pull the shower cap out once it is dried, and then go ahead and start styling the wig actually on her head. So right now it's just going to be measuring, cutting, and gluing the tracks until we get all the way full. All right, so at this point we have glued all of 1 pack of the Onyx, 1 pack of the 10-inch. This is basically what it looks like in the back. And as you see here, I'm kind of curving the tracks when I glue them. I'm curving them because this is the part that I want to be the fullest. So once I finish up here, the majority of the tracks are gonna go, you know, falling in that direction, so you get that big fullness in the front that I have. And what I'm gonna do now that I'm done with this first pack of hair, I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting, giving myself a little guideline on how I want it to be, so I don't, you know, have to go so far.